Want to make a viral video on your mobile? Struggling with low resolution or blurry footage like this and want this kind of video? Or facing problems with unwanted objects in your video? Are you tired of searching for video effects? What if I told you that you can solve these issues with one app, right on your mobile phone? Meet Wink, the AI-powered editing app that's like a magic wand for your videos, all in one place. You can download the app from the Apple Store or Play Store. I'll also include the link in the description. Once installed, launch the app and create an account. This is what the Wink app interface looks like. You'll find a vast library of AI-powered tools here to save time and money while creating professional videos. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Create button to start a new project. Before diving in, let's explore some of Wink's amazing AI features. First up, the Image Quality tool. This tool enhances image or video resolution and quality. You'll see two options: General and Scenario. In General mode, you can upgrade lower quality videos to HD, UHD Portrait, or AI UHD. For low quality game assets, animations, product images, or text-based content, switch to Scenario mode. Take a look at this video clip. Its quality is extremely low. Let's enhance it. Since it's a realistic clip, I'll select UHD from General mode. Click Try Now to upload the clip. Once uploaded, processing begins automatically. The time depends on the video's length and original quality. Okay, our video clip has been enhanced successfully, and here you can see a before and after version of the video. For a better understanding, I am playing both files on the screen. Wink app did a great job. So, now you can turn your low-resolution videos like this, no matter how poor the quality. To save the enhanced clip, select After, then click the Save button. Alright, now let's see how it works with text-based images or videos. Because it's very challenging. This time, I will upload this image. And here it is, the image has been enhanced. And the result is in front of you. I tried various tools to enhance the text-based content, and I can say Wink is the best in that case. So, now you can enhance your low-quality videos and images in a few seconds using the Wink app. But if you're still missing something, need something more, then you can use the AI Repair tool. After coming to this, click on Try Now, and then upload the video clip from your gallery. Now, under the video preview, you will find some options. We have to set them as per our need. First of all, the quality restoration. That means how much the quality will be restored of the video. It will make the video crisp and clear. I will set it to 2, as my video quality is very low. Next, the super resolution. I will set it full, then we will get a 4K video. After that, we have the denoise tool. If your video has too much noise, then use this feature. I will set it low, as my video has minimum noise. Next, we have night view mode. If your video or image has very low light or was shot at night, then use this feature. I don't need this. Okay, the next tool is AI Color. This is very important. AI Color will fix the color graduation automatically. After that, the frame interpolation will increase the FPS to make the video smoother. And in the end, if you have a shaky video and want to stabilize it, then use this feature. Once everything is set, hit the auto button from here, and you can see that AI has started its work, and our video is ready. Now it looks just amazing. The quality is now 10 times better than the original video clip, and I can't see any unusual things here in the video. So now you can use the AI Repair tool to turn your dull video into a higher quality video clip. Okay, now let's talk about another amazing tool, Super Resolution. This feature increases video and image resolution without losing quality. After selecting the tool, select the video or image clip from your gallery. Once the file is uploaded, you have to set the targeted resolution. It allows you to upscale the images and videos up to 4K resolution. Once you select the resolution, it will start working automatically. And here is the result. You can see the before and after version of the video here. It enhances image and video resolution, making them clearer and more detailed. It can remove blurriness, restore details, and upgrade low-resolution images to higher resolutions. Okay, are you having problems with unwanted text or objects in your images or video clips? To solve this issue, you can use this AI removal feature. After accessing the AI removal tool, select the file you want to customize. For example, I am selecting this book cover image. Now, you will find some tools at the bottom. The swipe option is to select any area automatically. The box tool is used to select any area. After that, you can remove mask from the image or video with this mask tool. After that, you will find options to remove text, glasses, and reflections. For example, I want to remove the text from this file. I am selecting the text option, and you can see that the text has been removed. In this method, you can remove any unwanted object from any image or video. Wink app offers you a vast number of AI features that will make your video creation more interesting. For example, this AI retouch tool can retouch any portrait and make it more captivating. You don't need to spend an hour to beauty the character or portrait. You will get more and more here in the Wink app. And if you want to make a viral video within a few seconds, then come to the Template tab. Here, you will find a vast number of video templates that are already viral. So if you use any template from here and customize it with your data, then there will be a high chance to get the viral. It offers more than CapCut. If you're ready to stop wrestling with clunky apps and start making pro-level content fast, Wink's your answer. Don't forget to try this tool. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the Wink app. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.